Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the trim function that we have in Excel. So if you have any unstructured text data which has a lot of trailing and falling spaces or spaces in between, it's very difficult for any individual to go ahead and remove those spaces and make it correct. However, we have a function in Excel which is a trim function that helps to remove unwanted spaces from the text data that we have. So let's just dive into it. I've created this table, a random table. I've taken name from 4 random people, and if you see, there are a lot of falling spaces, trailing spaces. I've entered a lot of incorrect spaces in this table. If you see here, the falling spaces in between, you see there are additional spaces. So this is very unstructured data and we can't make sense of it, and it looks very bad also. So let's say if you want to make it correct, if you want to look good, you want to remove all the unwanted spaces from this table that contains a lot of text data and which has a lot of spaces. So how can we do that? So we're going to use the trim function in Excel. Let me show you how we can use that. You have to enter equal to, then trim. You will get a pop-up down here. You can click that also, or you can simply write the trim. Now you have to select just the cell which you want to correct. So I'll select the cell, close bracket, and enter. I will drag this formula over here. Okay. Now as you can see that all the spaces have been removed from this once we apply the trim function. I'll just special this data to show you exactly. So now as you see in David Moore, there were spaces in the front. Now if you see here, there are no spaces. The spaces in between are additional spaces in between are removed. Falling spaces has been removed from here. So this way the trim function helps you to make the correct data or to remove additional spaces that you have in your text. So you can be very creative. You can use this function with the other functions and be creative about it. This is a very useful, simple but a useful function. So it's a good function that everybody should know. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much.